Listen and read. A. Humiliate. Instead. Rude. Shame. Shoot. Society. Spoil. Spy. Threat. B. Humiliate. To humiliate children. To feel humiliated. It's very wrong to humiliate people. There's no reason for you to feel humiliated. Instead of. Adverb. I don't like coffee. Could I please have tea instead? You should be doing your room instead of watching television. Rude. Rude words. Rude behavior. A rude joke. His mother told him not to use rude words. It was very rude of her to leave without telling us. Shame. Without shame. A great shame. To feel no shame at something. To bring shame on someone. Sadly, Jake felt no shame at his behavior. To their shame, they were wrong. The people who did it should hang their heads in shame. Shoot, shot, shot. 1. To shoot at something, someone. To shoot someone dead. He shot at the bird, but missed it. Compare, he shot the bird and killed it. We heard in the news that the famous politician had been shot. 2. To shoot a film. To shoot a picture. The film was shot in the Russian north. Society. A modern society, today's society, a multicultural society, an industrial society. Bad drivers are a danger to society. My grandmother enjoys the society of young people. Spoil. 1. To spoil the picture, to spoil the view. If it starts raining, it will spoil the whole fun. 2. To spoil a child. Stop saying yes all the time, you are spoiling the girl. It's Mother's Day, let them spoil you a little. Spy, spied, spied. To spy for somebody, to spy on somebody. I have a feeling that somebody is spying on me. Threat. A threat of rain, a threat of war. All over the world people remember about the threat of terrorism.